Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make all the text boxes or check boxes same size in a P-level PDF prompt using Nitro Pro PDF Reader. This is my check box and I'll make all of them same size. Now select from option and click on the select field option and drag your mouse cursor, select all of them and put your mouse cursor on of them and select right button. Now select here size and simply select here both. As is all of them now same size. Now you can align horizontally and you can use your mouse keyboard arrow and see this. All of them are now make same size. In this way you can make your checkbox or fillable text box same size. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.